Hey guys, in this video I want to show you about verbs that end with the letter P and how they have the T sound and they are part of the T group. Okay? So here are some examples of verbs that end with P. Now there's one exception, is escape, has E, but it's part of the T group. So drop, escape, help, jump, stop, and step. In this video, I want to focus on the two most important verbs that we use all the time, help and stop. So just quickly with the verb to stop, we have the difference between to stop to do something and between to stop doing something. It's a common problem. I want to explain that now. If we have, for example, I stopped to talk to my friend. This is the reason why you stopped. If you can imagine, you are walking on the street in your town and you see your friend and you were walking before, continue, and you stop to talk to your friend because this is the reason why you stopped. Now, I think everybody can remember a time when you had a problem with your friend or a fight or an argument, and for a period, I don't know, 1-2 weeks, the activity of talking, you stopped the activity completely, as in you stopped talking to my friend, right? This happens with human beings and people. We have fights and we stop talking. This is about stopping the activity, okay? Now, when we're using the verb help, we can use it in two ways. To help someone do something and to help someone to do something. They are both completely correct. There's no problem. It's not a question of British English or American English, but you can see the frequency to help someone do something is much more common and a much better option. Native speakers, we prefer this one, to help someone do something. Now, one thing that is not correct is to say to help someone doing something, all right? That's not okay. So let's train again. Remember, it's always about 2 steps. Train with me. Help, helped. Help, helped. Stop, stop, stopped. All right, pause if you need the time and train and train and train. It's not important if you have been pronouncing this word for a long time incorrectly. Just stop and train now. Stop, stopped. Okay? So let's remember a little bit of what can happen with the word her, him, and them, right? Her will become him would be im, and them would be em. All right? Very similar. Now, if we say helped her, be helped her. Helped him, helped him. Helped them, helped them. All right? This is to prepare you in your listening so that in conference calls or job or meetings or whatever, you are ready to understand. Okay? So let's train some nice examples with the 2 essential verbs to stop and to help. Remember, always pausing the video and training and stopping and training. Okay? Let's go. I stopped drinking coffee last year. 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 After years and years, he finally stopped smoking. 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 He was late because he stopped to make a phone call. He was late because he stopped to make a phone call. He was late because he stopped to make a phone call. He was late because he stopped to make a phone call. I helped him find a job and a place to live. I helped him find a job and a place to live. I helped him find a job and a place to live. I helped him find a job and a place to live. We helped them find what they were looking for. We helped them find what they were looking for. We helped them find what they were looking for. They helped her prepare for her exams. They helped her prepare for her exams. They helped her. They helped her prepare for her exams. They helped her prepare for her exams. Okay guys, that ends this video of the verbs that end with the letter P. In the next video, we continue with the T group, the most important group, with verbs that end with the letter S. Okay, see you there, my friends.